What's the biggest Christian YouTuber mistake that's stopping you and your channel from growing? If you have an online Christian channel, then to get someone to click your thumbnails is so hard. You try so hard that it hurts. You love God, so do they. Shouldn't they just gravitate to your videos? Please don't quit. I would love to know how you are feeling about this. And if we are to get this right, people will watch you because you care about them. But how do we know? If you've released a video and you're getting a lot of comments, lots of discussion, then you're on the right path. That's one way. If you are someone that likes a little bit more clarity or data, now let's have a look at Mike Winger's channel with vidIQ. Now if you haven't got it, then just install it as an extension. You can just look on Google and check that out. But if you have, then you can have a look at this CSV export will show, and we can click on that, export up to 10 videos for the free version. I'm sure you can get more if you have the paid version. However, don't need it. Then we download CSV. I'll just save it where it's going, and then we open it up. Now I know you hate spreadsheets, but all we'd have to do is just look at these numbers for vidIQ score. That is it. That's the only score we're going to look at today. Now forget about the decimal points. We're just going for the whole number. He's getting 60s, 70s, 50s, 80s. Really, we just need to be 60. Now 60 is just a number. It's just to show you that YouTube can see what you are about and who it can show your videos to. The more it knows who your audience is, the more views you will get. And again, if you are looking out for an audience, helping them, giving them something, even if it's entertainment, then you will grow a tribe. All these channels are 60, but what does this really mean? vidIQ takes all the comments, engagement, click-through rates, and how many people watch your videos and how they made it to the end. It's kind of like taking a test score. If we look at all of the other creators that are doing well, their engagement score is about 60. And when it comes to YouTube, it just needs to know what you are about and who it can show your videos to. The more it knows who you are and your audience is, the more views you will get. Again, if you are looking out for an audience, helping them, giving them something, even if it's entertainment, then you will grow a tribe. What does it mean if our scores are lower? 40 can mean you are doing everything right, but there's just a few things that you just need to tweak. 20 to 30 means that you're getting there, but your audience is split. Each video put out attracts a viewer from a different reason than the next video released, and it seems to attract a different audience for another reason. Anything lower than this, unfortunately, is a little bit like a dog's breakfast. It doesn't mean that your videos suck though. Your videos are the best videos that you have ever created. Don't stop doing them. The YouTube algorithm just doesn't know who your audience is and doesn't know who to show it to next. Just to be focused on one audience, or your channel is focused on one thing. But more importantly, you are giving something or helping someone. Once your audience knows who you are, you will find it easier to create thumbnails. You can still do the same types of awesome videos. Just refocus them on the one thing that your audience wants. Now, if you don't know who your tribe is and you want to find out, click this video and I will tell you. Go create something awesome for God, and remember, don't make great thumbnails, just make them better.